Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the Autopilot.dll WIL error with HRESULT 0x80070491 in Windows. Step 1. Open Services and disable Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. Open the search menu and type Services. Click on the best match, which should show Services. Scroll down and find Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. Double-click on it. In the Startup Type drop-down, select Disabled, then click Stop under Service Status if it's running. Click Apply and then OK to save changes. Step 2. Restart your computer. Close the Services window and restart your computer. After the restart, the Autopilot.dll failure should be resolved. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope this solution helps you out. See you in the next tutorial.